Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare SimpliSafe and Cove. SimpliSafe and Cove both offers easy to install DIY home security systems, but they differ in features and reliability. Cove is a user-friendly DIY home security system that's quick to set up and arrives pre-programmed, making installation easy for beginners. It features a helpful touchscreen control panel that guides you through the process and checks your sensors automatically. Monthly monitoring plans are affordable, starting around $17.99, and the higher Tier Plus plan includes perks like a lifetime equipment warranty and $5 monthly credit for new gear. Cove supports voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant, though smart home integrations are limited. Many like Cove's quick emergency response and support, but some report false alarms and sensors or app issues. SimpliSafe is a popular home security system that's easy to install yourself without needing any tool or drilling. It comes with motion detectors, Android sensors, and optional cameras, all designed to keep your home protected. The system connects to an app where you can check alerts, watch live video, and arm or disarm it from anywhere. SimpliSafe works well with Alexa and Google Assistant, offering some smart home features. You can choose between self-monitoring or professional monitoring plans, giving you flexibility based on your budget. Most users like its clean design and reliable performance, but some say that app can be a little slow at times. However, SimpliSafe is better for overall reliability, smart features, and flexible monitoring, while Cove is better for budget-conscious users who want easy setup. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.